Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again and welcome to Pearl TV. If this is your first time here, this is Pearl, mommy content creator. Okay, I am a housewife for almost 7 years and a content creator for 4 years, okay, in YouTube. And before I became a content creator and a housewife, I am an employee also in construction business, and also I do entrepreneurial works after I resign in my work, okay? Okay, so without further ado, I will be sharing you the story on how the winning of Michelle D in Miss Universe PH 2023 impacted to me as a mother and as a human being, as a person, okay? So yeah, I am really, I found myself admiring Michelle because from time to time she's been in the interview. She always tell the story of gratefulness to her mom, okay? So what does it mean? That she has been raised as a good daughter. And she is from time to time thankful to her parent, okay? To her grandmom, okay? So my channel also covers parenting, okay? Covers parenting, and the story of Michelle D proves that a good parenting can produce a good child, okay? Like her, 'di ba? Yung mga ginagawa niya from time to time, alam natin na inaalay niya yun para sa kanyang mama, Miss Melanie Marquez, the former Miss World, okay? So I'm a fan of, also of Miss Universe, Miss World, Ma'am Melanie Marquez. Kasi talagang fanatic ako sa mga beauty queen ever since I'm young as grade 3, if I'm not mistaken. From time to time, me and my brother used to play dolls, okay? So my brother is also a member of the LGBTQ, and he's the one from time to time who keep on sharing me stories about Miss Universe. And hey Pearl, she would be telling me that we'll be playing these dolls, and these are the candidates from different countries, so we'll be playing this. We are the two judges for the toys, the Manika, the Barbie, okay? And even sometimes we used to pick seashells. We used to clean the seashells, and we will be doing what do we call this? The pageantry of the seashells. Okay? So yun yung story of Miss Universe talaga napakaano siya sa akin eh. Kasi yung banding namin na magkapatid, kuya ko, it's about, yun, grade 3 kayo bata pa, grade 4 ang kuya ko. So from time to time, ayun yung banding namin, naglalaro kami ng mga shell. Sasabihin niya, Pearl, mag-ano tayo, mag-judge tayo ng mga kung sino yung mag-win na Miss Universe. Okay, so each of the seashells or any Barbie dolls that I used to align, okay? They have their own country to represent with. Okay. So, ayun. So, nakakatuwa, 'di ba? Kasi I have many inspiring and funny stories about Miss Universe. And okay, so we'll be going to how Michelle D impacted to me as a mom, okay? Kasi yun na nga, 'di ba, nakwento ko na pag naging mabuting ina tayo sa ating mga anak, of course, yung mga anak natin talagang mag-guide. Ayan, si Michelle D is a living proof of pinalaking mabuti, okay, ng magulang niya. And her advocacy, 'di ba? Her advocacy na gusto niya, ang advocacy na dadalhin niya is yung awareness, okay? Awareness sa autism spectrum disorder. Bakit yun yung advocacy ni Michelle? Kasi based on my research, she has 2 brothers whose name is Mason and Adam, who are autistic, okay? Mga malalaki na. Kita ko na nag-research ako. So, 'di ba? Isipin mo na lang gaano kahirap sa mga magulang magkaroon ng autistic child, and also the burden of, 'di ba, sa mga may mga tao kasi na hindi pa talaga aware about autism. So naalala ko yung friend ko lately lang na diagnose yung anak niya na merong ASD. So, tinanong ko siya kung okay siya. Sabi niya, nasa process of acceptance, 'di ba? So, alam mo yung lungkot na nararamdaman niya, nandito din sa puso ko eh. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi yun madali eh, 'di ba? So, yun na nga. Kaya nga sabi niya, in-enroll nila sa private yung anak niya kasi nga, yung fear of being bullied yung anak niya sa public school. Kasi, possibly naman talaga, kasi minsan yung mga anak sa mga bata sa public, because of, sometimes, mga bata hindi ganun paka-aware. Pero kahit saan naman, kung bully yung bata, mabubully yung tao, mambubully yun eh, di ba? Pero hindi natin sinasabi sa public school lang. Kasi naman sa amin, no, sa public, I studied also in public schools. Mababait naman kami, hindi naman namin ginagawa na nagbubuli kami, di ba? So, yun na nga. Pero talaga outside, there are many bully people and they do not know what is ESD, okay? And kung yun nga yung case na yung mga bata na bubuli, it's because many parents are not yet aware about autism. Kasi konti lang yung may case sa isang community, konti lang yung may case ng autism. So it's not being highlighted from time to time inside the family that if you ever encounter a kid who has this condition, you have to treat them right. Do not bully them, okay? So every parent has an obligation to educate their kids with regards to autism. Okay? So I also have 2 cousins already 18 years old above who are also autistic, okay, in the province. So, I used to visit them from time to time when I got the chance to go to the province. And I also bring my daughter to meet her aunt, okay? Aunt din ng anak ko, di ba? Okay. So, the problem nowadays also talaga is the treatment to those who are autistic. It's a very, very nice advocacy of Michelle D. about awareness of autism kasi maraming tao ang magigising sa katotohanan na, oh, ganito pala yung condition ng batang yan. So, we have to be empathetic. We have to treat them fairly as a normal, okay? Normal kids, okay? Kasi what is autism, okay? As sabi dito, autism spectrum disorder is a broad range of condition characterized by challenges with social skills, repetitive behavior, speech, and non-verbal communication, okay? So, meron silang doon, hindi sila ganong kagaya ng ibang bata na normal sila magsalita, or the social ability, that they, kunyari, mag-interact sa ibang bata, iba sila. So, hindi natin hahayaan yung mga anak natin na i-treat sila unfairly, okay? So, that's the very beautiful story about the advocacy of Michelle D, okay? So, I hope Michelle will win the crown in the Miss Universe 2023 para talagang ma-shoutout niya, talagang ma-spread yung advocacy niya. Okay? So, I hope we all will support Michelle, okay? Good luck, Michelle D. We love you. Bye-bye. God bless.